What you see on the oven is Bon Ami with some Z-Bio spray. I lightly scrubbed it with a sponge. And now I've been using my razor blade to scrape the, let me see if I can get a little close up. Do you see that burnt on? Yeah, the burnt on brown marks. And that's just burnt on food. Okay, so I'll be demonstrating. And just make short little movements with the razor blade at an angle. You see how my blade is at an angle? It's not like this, okay? It's at an angle like that. It just comes right off. Let's see. Yeah. Now this is just for the glass. I don't know that you want to necessarily use the razor blade. Let's try it on this part. Let's see how well it does. Oops. Looks like, yeah, it's a little caked on in there. Well, it's coming off a little bit on the. You can also use this stainless steel scrubby. Never ever use this scrubby on a sink or a stove top. We use it inside the oven on this non-stick part of the oven, like that. Yeah, and it helps get off that discoloration from the burnt food. So you can already see how much cleaner it is now. But for the glass, I'm using the razor blade. And then when you're ready to rinse, just use some paper towels and water just to get all the extra soap off of there. Rinse and repeat if necessary.